In this Lovable AI video, we will create user authentication, means login sign up, how we can create in Lovable AI. So for that, we have to click here in the prompt window and let's add this prompt, add user authentication, and press on this arrow key. So it will generate project files for user authentication. It's generating different files. And it's showing all the steps it's performing. Now it's showing what all key features were added, like authentication context, auth page, like sign in, sign up, protected features, user interface, like user email display or sign out button. So these all features were added. And on the right side you can see in the box it's showing sign in link, and here is the sign in button as well. When we click here, it will show sign in box. And suppose if we have email and password, we can enter here and we can log into the project. But otherwise we need to sign up, so like we have to give email address, then password and confirm password. Once we enter these details for sign up and click on create account, you can see this notification is showing now, like mail has been already sent in your mailbox. So check your email. So when we go to our email, you can see here we had got email. When we open the email and it is showing confirm your mail, we need to click on that. It's now showing that we already were logged in to the account. When we click on sign in, we need to enter the details and click on sign in. So it's showing that we are logged into the account. So from here we can sign out, and now it's showing this box that we need to sign in to manage the recipes. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.